Have you ever accidentally deleted important files from your USB drive? Or maybe your USB got formatted by mistake. Same things recently happened to me, and I lost all my important data in seconds. For a moment I thought everything was lost forever. But then I decided to test something interesting. So today I am going to show you how you can recover those files using a professional tool that actually works. The tool we are using today is Stellar Professional Data Recovery Software, which is one of the most popular all-in-one professional data recovery tools available. You can recover different types of photos files like JPG, PNG, GIF, and even raw camera photos. So if you have lost picture from your camera or phone backup, this tool can help bring them back. It also supports video recovery, including formats like MP4, AVI, MOV, and more. You can recover important documents like Word file, Excel sheet, PDF, and text file. Even compressed files like zip and RAR can be removed. So if you had backups stored in archive files, those can also be restored. It supports recovery of email data like Outlook, PST files, and other formats. This is useful if you have a lost important email or attachment. You can also recover audio files like MP3, WAV, and other formats. It supports almost all types of storage devices like hard disks, PC and laptop, SSD, external drives, USB drives, and even SD cards. So no matter where your data was stored, you still have a good chance to recover it. This is a one-stop solution for any data recovery need, covering almost all data loss situations. You can recover accidentally deleted files even if they are permanently removed. It also supports recovery from encrypted drives like BitLocker. If your drive is corrupted or formatted, you can recover lost partition easily. And even if your Windows system crashes, you can still restore your data using a bootable recovery option. I am not just explaining things here, I will show you a real example for recovering deleted files from a USB drive. So first, you need to download the Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Windows. So there is a free version available, so simply click on the free download button. I have already given the link in the description below. You can also check the system requirements there before downloading. Once the download is complete, install the software just like any normal program. It's a very simple, just a few clicks to accept the terms, choose the installation location, and you are good to go. After installation, open the software, and this is how the interface will look on your screen. Now let's take a look at my Windows Explorer. I have just connected my USB drive and it's showing as new volume F, and as you can see, it's completely empty, but earlier this drive had some important files. So now let's see if Stellar Data Recovery can actually find and recover them. Here you can choose what type of data you want to recover, like documents, email, audio, photos, videos, and more. For this demo, I will select all data and then click on Next. Now you will see all the drives connected to your system. So you need to select your USB drive where your data was lost. Then click on Scan. The software will now start scanning your USB drive. It's actually quite fast. But if your drive is large, you might need to wait a bit. And in my case, it's found 29 files in 10 different folders. And I thought were gone forever. You can even preview them to make sure they are not corrupted before recovering. Now simply select the files you want, then click on Recover. Here you need to choose a location to save them. Make sure you do not save the recovered files back to the same USB drive. This can overwrite your existing data. So it's always safer to choose a different location like your desktop or other drive. After that, you can see the message that data saved successfully at the selected destination. So just click on OK. Now open that folder, and as you can see, I have got my photos, my PDF, and even my rent receipt back in the perfect condition. It has successfully recovered all my earlier deleted files and folders. Now one important thing, if a standard scan does not find your files, you can always switch to a deep scan for more deeper search. Okay. Another useful feature is you can even recover data from non-bootable PC. And not just that, you can also create an image of your drive and later recover data from that image, which is a very useful in critical situation. Along with that, it also supports raw file format, so recovery becomes more advanced and detailed. So based on this test, if you have lost important files from any devices, this is definitely a tool you can try. It's very simple to use and even beginner can follow the steps easily. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.